Now let's have a look. Now this is not something I can do, so I've got to ask for your help here. So I'm going to ask you to go to go to google.com.au and type in beeswax wraps like that. So I'm not in Australia, so I can't see this. Beeswax wraps in Australia. And then tell me if you can see their Amazon advert. So you'll see it should be at the top and it will say ad next to it. That little thing there, ad, it'll say that next to it. Tell me if you can see the ad and tell me how many other people are advertising. Again, this is something that you would do to figure out how to optimize. This is all your pre-prep. Look at these. They're ranking well for that search term. Very, very cool. Anybody done that yet? You don't see it? Is there anybody advertising at all? Is there anybody advertising at all? If you don't see it, is there anybody advertising on that search term? Yes. 3 ads, 4 ads, 6 ads, 6 ads, 3 ads. All right, so 3 to 6 ads. Thank you for that, folks. Be rappy. All right, well done. Okay, so now we know that there is some competition. So let's go and have a look what the hell's going on. So the landing page, we already know that's good. Check here that they've got a mobile score of 9 out of 10, which is fantastic. That's because they're using Amazon. Amazon is massively mobile friendly. We're going to talk about that in a little bit more. But for now, let's just continue on and I'm going to show you some stuff. Again, we're going to do basic stuff, we're going to do intermediate stuff, and we're going to do advanced stuff. All right. So now I'm in their keywords area, and this is the keywords that they are bidding on. These are the keywords that they are bidding on. All right. So we've got an exact match, a phrase match. That's phrase. That's exact. And there is nothing broad, which is cool. That's exactly as it should be. Now, exact match, what that means in theory is that their advert will only show if somebody types in beeswax sandwich wrap. That's the only thing that somebody could type in. Okay, nothing else will make their advert show. Whereas beeswax food wrap like that, well, that could show that would show for that. It would also, so if I do that, if we did any of these, so DIY, recipe, UK, Canada, I love saying Canada, I don't know why. Manufacturer, Amazon, cool. It will show for those, okay? So that's the difference between the search terms. Again, I cover that. I don't want to get too much into search terms because I cover that in the pre-training that I've already done. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.